Have you ever spent time trying to find an exact moment in a video? Timestamps or video chapters allows you to jump forward to a specific section of a video or re-watch a portion of that video. Chapters appear at the bottom of the video player and you can use the timestamps from the video description. In this video, you'll learn how to correctly create timestamps or chapters, how to enable automatic video chapters, and how to use them to get more views on your channel. Click on the Content tab in YouTube Studio, then hover over the video you wish to add timestamps to. Click on Details. I've already created a list of timestamps and titles in the description below this video. Make sure your first timestamp starts with 0:00. Make sure you have at least 3 timestamps listed in ascending order. The minimum length for each timestamp is 10 seconds. If you want to improve the probability of your video getting found in Google search, optimize your chapter titles by including a keyword or keyword phrase. Google will show key moments in your video. After you've added all YouTube chapters or timestamps, click Save to save the document. Here's how timestamps will appear on your mobile phone when using the YouTube mobile app. Let's see the video. As you can see, video chapters containing the timestamps and the video title appear as you scrub through the video. If I click on this timestamp at 0.25 that says features you'll be able to get access to, it jumps immediately to that particular timestamp. If I click on 241, then immediately goes to that particular timestamp in the video. This is a highly effective way for viewers to skip to the most interesting part of your video so you can get a higher retention rate. Click on the Content tab in YouTube Studio and hover over the video you wish to add automatic chapters to. Click Details, scroll down to the bottom of your video where it says Automatic Chapters. Check the box that says Allow Automatic Chapters and Key Moments. Keep in mind, by default, this box will be checked for all new uploads. If you manually add your own chapters, it'll override the automatic video chapters. Click Save to save your settings. Here's how to make automatic chapters as your default setting. Click on Settings in YouTube Studio, click on Upload Defaults, click Advanced Settings. Under Automatic Chapters, select the box that says Allow Automatic Chapters and Key Moments. Then click Save. Keep in mind, not all videos are eligible for automatic chapters. Also, if your channel has any active strikes or any of your content is inappropriate for viewers, you won't be able to enable automatic chapters. Here's how to use timestamps for more views. It allows viewers to jump forward to a specific section of your video they may be most interested in. For example, here's a comment from a teacher. I'm a teacher and this will be super helpful so my students can study for my video classes without watching the entire lesson. Only what they need for the homework or the exam. YouTube is also rolling out chapters to newer smart TVs or gaming consoles so viewers can instantly skip to that part of the video. If you've hosted a 1-hour live stream on your channel, viewers can instantly skip to that section that they're most interested in or re-watch a portion of the video. Get a snippet of a video featured in Google search. If you include keywords or keyword phrases that people are searching for, there's a high probability that your video will rank in Google search. What if YouTube timestamps or chapters are not working? Watch this video on the screen right now on how to fix timestamps or YouTube chapters that are not working.